Okay, reel him in. You got him?
Okay, show mommy. Show me. Bring it over here. Oh, wow.
All right. Bring it in.
Look at mom.
I've never been that before. I've never been that before.
What is that?
This is bigger.
You got a big fish, huh?
You're silly.
I'm going to.
Okay, hold on. All right. Are we gonna let him go?
Okay.
Count it. 1, 2, 3.
All right.
What'd you catch, Connor?